Above your home's crawl space begins to sag or slope. It's usually caused by one or more of the following. First, the soil underneath your foundation may no longer be able to support the weight of your home. Second, the columns may be placed too far apart. Or third, moisture from the crawl space environment has caused them to weaken and rot over time. So, to permanently stabilize your home's crawl space, we need to support it with a specially engineered and expertly installed SmartJack system. First, a 2-foot cube of soil is excavated at each SmartJack location. The hole is then filled with compacted crushed stone or engineered fill to create a stable bearing material that is unaffected by changes in moisture. The specially engineered cast aluminum footing is then positioned on top of this stone base to hold the SmartJack in place and properly distribute loads. Next, high-strength galvanized steel tubing is cut to the appropriate height. The steel column and components are assembled and connected to the support beam, and the SmartJack system is tightened into place. The support beam and floor joists are immediately stabilized, and the above floors and walls can even be lifted back toward level. It's a big job to be sure, but it's the best way to permanently stabilize your home's crawl space.